Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you around this absolutely stunning Aprilia RSV1000R. One of my personal favourites. This is the very last of the facelifted Gen 1s. This is the one and only year actually that this came with radial brakes before it went to the next shape, the Gen 2, and they completely revised the model. It's a 2003 bike, very low mileage, covered just over 12,000 miles from new. It's in amazing condition for the year. Runs and rides brilliantly. It's a really nice bit of kit. So let me show you around this bike. So 17-inch lightweight Marchesini style wheels. I believe they're actually made by OZ. This model came with Öhlins suspension, the later forks with radial Brembos, as you can see. Big old 320 millimeter discs, and this particular bike has also had braided hoses fitted to it as well. The bike's fitted with Metzeler tyres. They're pretty much brand new, as you can see. They've done very little work. The bike has had all of the carbon fibre upgrades, so you've got a carbon fibre mudguard, the inserts on the inside of the fairings. We do have the original parts as well, and some other carbon fibre bits that I'll point out as we go. Bodywork wise, it is very clean and tidy, as you can probably see. You're always going to find some wear and tear on a bike of this age, but on the whole this is a very clean and tidy bike. So just a couple of little marks on the front of the decal there, and there's a couple just towards the back there, very common on these. The actual paintwork and stuff like that on this bike are really good, one of the best I've seen. So you've got the carbon fibre inserts there. We've also got a carbon fibre exhaust hanger, the carbon fibre infill panels. You can see we've got Aprilia Performance rear sets as well, which has relocated the master cylinder, which is a common sticking point or snagging point with these bikes. The master cylinder was too close to the engine, so that's been relocated and sorted out. And towards the back you can see we've got the carbon fibre mudguard and the twin Aprilia Racing shotgun pipes. These are a genuine Aprilia part and come with the relevant EPROM ECU fitted to the bike to allow it to run perfectly. And again, lots of carbon fibre on the back end. It's got the carbon fibre number plate holder as well. All proper, you know, really nice quality bits of kit. Got the seat cowl, we've got the original pillion seat. It's fitted with an aftermarket seat, but we do have an original Aprilia seat as well. And we've also got a carbon fibre tank protector. It's not a sticker, it's like a proper moulded unit on there as well. Really looks the part, very clean. We've got a brake lever protector and adjustable shorter levers on here as well. Original carbon fibre panels. I believe the other carbon fibre bits have been re-laminated, but not this, because obviously it's got a decal on it. Original mirrors, a slightly taller screen, so it's got a double bubble screen on it. Really nice bit of kit, well sort of made, not one of these sort of cheap Chinese bits that you can buy online. On this side, very much the same. You can see we've got the axle protectors from R&G on the front wheel there. Again, carbon fibre everywhere you would expect it to be. Brand new chain and sprockets. It's a heavy duty 525 X-ring chain. We've got the Öhlins shock, which comes on this bike as standard, just in there. And the bike is also fitted with an Optimate charge lead as well. As you can see at the back, the Metzeler tyres barely been run at all. You know, it's pretty much like brand new. Really nice, clean, fairly original bike this. Again, the black frame model was only made for the 1 year with the radial brakes, and then they moved on to the newer shape. So there you can see the mileage, 12,626 miles. Let me give her a start up for you. Got a little bit of choke on, although I probably won't need it. Sounds absolutely amazing, as you would expect with that pipe on it. Obviously it's powered by a 998cc V-twin. It's a 60-degree V-twin, so these have got somewhat of a unique sound to them, made by Rotax. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Depending on which sort of website you subscribe to, these make about 115, 120 horsepower. Obviously not as powerful as the more modern sports bikes, but just look at it, it's full of character. It's a really clean original example, and these are really starting to increase in price and residual value as well. Absolutely stunning bike, one of my personal favourites. So yeah, it will come with a 3-month warranty, free delivery within England and Wales. We deliver to Scotland for a small charge. We can offer finance and part exchange, so if those are things that you're interested in, or if you've got any general questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got. Feel free to drop into the showroom for a coffee and a chat. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.